Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Camaro Lieutenant if you are looking for an automobile with great features. Look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are vanity mirrors, air conditioning, power passenger seat, beverage holder, remote trunk release, power outlet, and head restraints. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.